Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss about criteria for congruence of triangles. The first congruent rule is side, side, side. What is that? Suppose here you see this triangle. Here you see BC is 7.1 centimeter, PQ is 7.1 centimeter, AC is 5 centimeter, and RQ is 5 centimeter. AB is 3.5 centimeter and PR is 3.5 centimeter, right? That means this is side, side, side congruence rule. That means if under a given correspondence, the three sides of one triangle are equal to the three corresponding sides of another triangle, then the triangles are congruent, right? You have to remember this side, side, side congruence criterion. That is, if under a given correspondence, the three sides of one triangle are equal to the three corresponding sides of another triangle, then the triangles are congruent. This is first rule, that is side, side, side. Next rule is side angle side. Side angle side rule. What is that side angle side? Here you see side angle side means here you see this figure that this side AB side angle side. Here should be, you can see this one, that this one is see here, right? That is, this is side angle side. What is that? Side angle rule is side angle side. That means here one side, that is 5.5 centimeter, here also 5.5 centimeter, and this is CA is 3.4, and if this side is also 3.4, the side angle side rule, right? This is side, this is one angle, that should be, you have to remember that angle should be included angle, right? That is side angle side congruence rule. That means if under correspondence two sides and the angle included between them of a triangle are equal to corresponding sides and the angle included between them of another triangle, then the triangles are congruent. That means side angle side. Here you see in this figure, this side is congruent, BC is equal to this one, and this angle is 65 degree, this angle is 65 degree, and if C is equal to 3.4 and it is also 3.4 centimeter, then side angle side. According to side angle side, these two triangles will be congruent to one another, right? That is side angle side congruence criterion, right? Next is, next rule is angle side angle. Angle side angle congruency rule. Here you see in this figure, from the figure you can see also that suppose angle side angle we can show in this way, that angle side angle will be like this. Suppose there are two triangles like this. Suppose there are two triangles like this. One is like this. Let us take another triangle. Suppose there is a triangle here. There is another triangle here. This is ABC, A, B, C, and this is suppose DEF. This is D, E, F. So this angle is 40 degree. and this angle is 60 degree, and here also angle E is 40 degree and F is 60 degree, and this side is, suppose this is 5 centimeter, this is also 5 centimeter, right? Here you see angle E is equal to angle B is equal to angle E, angle C is equal to angle F, and this side BC is equal to EF. The length of BC is equal to EF. Therefore, we can say that angle side angle rule. Angle side angle. First angle, and the between two angles there is one side, that is included side, right? That means if under correspondence two angles, here two angles 40 60, two angles, and the included side, here this is included, BC is included, BC and EF are the included side of a triangle are equal to the corresponding, are equal to two corresponding angles and the included side of another triangle, then the triangles are congruent. Then you can say that ABC and DF are congruent to each other, right? In this case, angle side angle congruence criterion, right? Next, we will go to another congruence rule. This is angle side angle side angle. There is another congruent rule, that is another congruence among right angle triangle. Here you see we will congruent among right angle triangle, that is congruent among right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Here you see right hypotenuse side, congruent triangle. Suppose this is a triangle. This is right angle triangle. This is another triangle. This is ABC, A, B, C, and this is DF, D, E, and F. Suppose this angle is 90 degree, and this is also 90 degree, right? And suppose the hypotenuse, this is 7 centimeter. This is also 7 centimeter. And one of the sides, suppose BC is 5 centimeter, and EF is also 5 centimeter. Then we can say that both the triangles are congruent to one another. Why? Because due to RHS congruence criteria. What is that? If under a correspondence, the hypotenuse and one side of a right angle triangle are respectively equal to the hypotenuse and one side of another right angle triangle, then the triangles are congruent. That means right 90 degree both hypotenuse are also same and one side is same, BC is equal to EF. Then we can say that according to right hypotenuse side, these two triangles are congruent to one another. Right means 90 degree, hypotenuse, this is the hypotenuse side opposite to the 90 degree is the hypotenuse. This is 7 centimeter, this is 7 centimeter. Right 90 degree, hypotenuse 7 centimeter, and one side BC or AB. It may be AB or BC, right? BC is equal to EF, or if AB is equal to DF, then also you can say that these two triangles are congruent to one another according to right hypotenuse side congruent rule, right? Now again we will explain the another one is, here you see, that is we explained, that is angle side angle, right? Angle side angle we have explained, and now we will explain about side angle side. Side angle side we can explain in this way: side angle side. Here you see side angle side. Suppose one triangle is like this: ABC, A, B, C. Another triangle is like this, that is DF, D, E, F. What is the congruent is? Side angle side. Suppose this side, AB side, is equal to D side, and this angle is 60 degree. This angle is also 60 degree, right? This side is same, and BC side is equal to EF side. That is known as side angle side congruent rule. Side, this side is equal, AB is equal to DE, and angle B is equal to angle E, and BC is equal to EF. Then we say add side angle side congruence rule. If under correspondence two sides and the angle included between them of a triangle are equal to corresponding sides and the angle included between them of another triangle, then the triangles are congruent, right? Next one will define the side. Now you see the side rule. The first rule is SSS. You can also side angle side. We will explain side angle side, and the next first one is side congruent rule. Side. What is that? Side congruent rule is that suppose this is a triangle. Suppose this is a triangle. There is another triangle. This is ABC, A, B, C, and this is D, this is E, and this is F. If in this triangle AB is equal to DE, BC is equal to EF, and AC is equal to DF, then we can say that these two triangles are congruent according to rule side congruence criterion. If under a given correspondence the three sides of one triangle are equal to the three corresponding sides of another triangle, then the triangles are congruent. That means we have four rules. The first one is side side congruence rule. Side congruence rule, right? And number two is side angle side angle side congruence rule, and number three is angle side angle congruence rule. You have to remember that these angles will be included and this side is included between the angles, right? And the fourth one is right hypotenuse side. There is right hypotenuse side congruent rule. We have to use these four rules: side congruent rule, side angle side congruent rule, angle side angle congruent rule, and right hypotenuse side congruent rule. You have to use these rules of correspondence, congruence of triangles, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.